Hello everyone, you're most welcome. Are you ready to play with numbers? Welcome to Math for Mathematicians, where math is fun and super exciting. Let's start our math journey together. This channel is specially made for all math learners. If you love math, great. If math feels difficult, don't worry at all. Tell me something. Do you know these signs? Yes, these are the four magical operations of math. These are the building block of all math. But guess what? If I told you there is a faster, smarter way to do calculations, and we will learn all of them in a very easy way. So here comes something very special. We will learn maths using Vedic maths. Vedic maths help us think smarter and calculate faster and feel more confident. Vedic math builds a strong thinking foundation. Whether your child dreams of becoming a doctor, an engineer, or an AI specialist, smarter thinking and confidence in numbers will support them at every step of their journey. Don't worry, I will explain everything step by step. We will solve examples together. I will help you understand why the answer comes, not just what the answer is. And yes, it's completely okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. And remember, learning maths is not complete without practice. Practice makes us better. So, I will also give you worksheets and practice questions. You can try them at home and check your answers and slowly become a maths champion. Always remember this, everyone or anyone can learn maths. You just need practice, patience, and the right guidance. And I'm here to help you at every step. Are you ready to become a confident mathematician? Then subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.